Hello everyone, I'm Kenji. This is Wagashi. Have you ever seen a jelly that's crystal clear, doesn't melt in the heat, and comes from the ocean? Let me introduce you to Kanten. It's a Japanese traditional ingredient that's full of surprises. This is Kanten. It's freeze-dried. It's light. Can you see? I'll show you what Kanten is and a little history.
Kanten is a jelly-like substance made from red algae. Yes, seaweed. It's similar to agar, but in Japan, Kanten has its own unique tradition and texture. It's 100% plant-based, flavorless, and odorless, making it the perfect base for both sweet and savory dishes. Best of all, it's set without refrigeration and stays firm, even on hot summer days. Kanten has been part of Japanese cuisine for over 300 years. It was discovered by accident in the 1600s, when a traveling samurai left seaweed soup outside overnight. It froze, thawed, and dried, becoming the first Kanten. Traditionally, seaweed called tengusa was boiled, then frozen and dried in the winter air. This process is still used today in some parts of Japan. You'll find Kanten in many traditional Japanese sweets. One of the most famous is yokan, a thick, sweet bean jelly often enjoyed with tea. There's also a mitsu, a refreshing dessert with Kanten cubes, fruit, and syrup. Because it's high in fiber and very low in calories, Kanten is also used in health-conscious cooking across Japan.
What makes Kanten so special isn't just texture and health benefits. It's the way it connects food to nature and tradition. Kanten is a beautiful part of Japanese culture. Next time you see a simmering jelly dessert from Japan, you'll know it's probably Kanten. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit like and subscribe to see more videos like this. See you next time. Bye bye.